Hello, and best wishes to you, the viewer, where we investigate some of the most pervasive myths in computer history. Today, we'll go on a journey into the world of computers and bust some of the wildest urban legends that refuse to die. Let's set out on a journey to separate fact from fiction as we dispel the most ridiculous myths about anything from batteries to antivirus software. The antiquated idea that a battery must be entirely depleted before being recharged is our first target. Yet, you should know that this piece of advice dates back to the heyday of nickel-cadmium batteries. This is in fact the case. Lithium-ion batteries, which now dominate the market, have built-in intelligence that can predict when they will need to be recharged. For this reason, the next time your battery is dangerously low, you should immediately plug it in. You owe us nothing right now, but you can thank us afterwards. As for the second misconception, we'll refute the idea that more memory means a quicker machine. Although not always untrue, this is also not always true. Adding more RAM will speed up your computer, but only if it has a memory shortage to begin with. Adding more RAM to a computer that already has plenty of it is like putting more cheese on a pizza that doesn't need it. The third untruth is that you need to always have power available for your laptop. The truth is, although it may seem counterintuitive, your laptop's battery life may actually decrease if you always have it plugged in. Like being housebound for a long time, during which one inevitably becomes socially isolated. Allowing the battery to completely discharge at regular intervals and being recharged back to full capacity is the best way to keep it in good working order. The assumption that you need constantly have your computer on is the fourth fallacy we'll debunk. It's like trying to make do with a flip phone in this day and age. You may improve your computer's performance and prevent viruses and malware from entering your system by turning it off at regular intervals. So the next time you're tempted to leave your computer on to avoid a protracted boot-up time, keep in mind that a little break can be a big help. The sixth common fallacy is the idea that freezing the hard disk will solve the problem. It's not obvious where this idea came from, but we're pleased to dispel it for you. Condensation, which can be encouraged by putting your hard drive in the freezer, might further deteriorate its internal components. Putting a damaged limb in the freezer to heal it is like trying to put a bandage on a fire. That has an utterly unintended consequence. In conclusion, the idea that antivirus software offers complete security for your computer is really a fiction. Both of these statements are partially correct. Antivirus software is essential and effective in warding off the vast majority of attacks, but it is not fail-safe. Be wary while downloading things from the internet, especially if you don't know what they are. It's like slathering on sunscreen before heading to the beach. It helps, but it doesn't provide 100% security. The information in this article should have dispelled some of the myths and misunderstandings that have persisted about computers, and we thank you for viewing it. Please maintain your sense of wonder and vigilance till we meet again. Thank you for watching. We hope you gained some insight. Please like and subscribe.